Hey y'all, it's your girl here Janae back with another video. So today I actually refreshed my hair using the Camille Rose new Lavender Collection. I actually refreshed it. I've been having my hair in a headscarf for a couple of days. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked after I actually revived my hair. So if you want to know how I got my hair to be this way or whatever, just keep on watching. I had my headscarf on for literally 2 days because I've been like in a little mood or whatever. And so I'm just going to be doing my hair on camera. I'm pretty sure my hair is all matted up and smushed. I'm so hot I had to turn the air conditioner off because my air conditioner is so freaking loud. Now don't laugh at me. Alright. I haven't seen my hair in 2 days, okay? It's all smushed. Alright, so I'm just about to revive my hair. So the product that I'm going to use today is going to be the Camille Rose Lavender Stimulating Growth System Shaking Hair Spritzer. If you follow me on my social media, which is going to be Instagram, you'll see that I actually collaborated with Camille Rose. I'm just going to take my headband off. First thing that I do, I like to shake my hair so that way it can just fall where it's supposed to be. I am just going to refresh my I put my earrings off. Maybe I should take my earrings off right now and then put it on at the end. I took my earrings off, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just shake my hair into however I want it to be. And again, this is a wash and go. I'm not going to tell y'all the products that I use because I have not put that video up yet. So y'all just going to have to wait, okay? And so I'm going to just spray.
Every week you got bros. All of y'all fit clothes, yeah. Got switching sides like NBA teams just after halftime. I'm pulling up with my dog, make sure you okay. I don't even have time. They call me a Porsche, but it's got seats just for they have meals. As soon as he came home, we hopped on the plane. Head straight to the bed, that's how we turn the game.
So I'm gonna just be fluffing my hair out with my hands first. I think I'm gonna have my hair on this side because I like my hair on this side better. I'm going to fluff it with the pick, as you see.
Tight circle, no square. I'm geometrically posing. Y'all like to triangles. Y'all like to go through.
I like to do it. I like to actually pull my hair and then like that, so that way I can actually stretch it as well. It seems like the back of my hair actually shrinks up more than any part of my hair. I hate that, but it does. So I like to stretch that out a little more. I'm going to be using the Lavender Edge Glaze, and it's by Camille Rose as well. It's in the Lavender Collection. I'm not like an edge type of girl, but I'm just going to smooth my edges. This is really like the main go-to style that I do for my hair. I am going to be using my brush. So now I'm going to be using my brush. I'm just going to be smoothing my hair. And then I'm just going to be adding a bobby pin. This is how my hair is looking after really just having, woo. The best part of having a pick, y'all, is literally just scratching your scalp. Oh my god. It didn't take much with my hair because I did wash it 2 days ago, but I also had it in my headscarf. So it's still fresh and brand new. I'm going to be putting my earrings back on because, you know, it ain't a finished look until you have some earrings on. This is how my hair looking, refreshing my hair with the Camille Rose new Lavender Collection. So go ahead and copy if you haven't already. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already or if you like the video. And I hope y'all have a good day. This is the end. This is the results of my hair.